This is a Shelby Cobra. I've always wanted to feature one. I wrote a whole article about the Shelby Cobra at lumangauto.com. Check it out. This one has a big block 427 Ford engine on it. The AC Cobra started as a European car. It's called the AC Ace. During the early 50s it came out, and then in the 60s Carroll Shelby used those same body to stuff in American engines on it. First 75 units had 260 cubic inch, followed by 289 cubic inch, and then the 427 cubic inch big block. The license plate of this one says CSX 6075, therefore this is not a replica, this is a continuation car. Let me explain that. Replica are done by other companies such as Factory 5, but the continuation cars actually are done by Shelby America. The original Cobra has serial number CSX 2000 all the way to CSX 3500 something, but it was discontinued in 1965, and then in the 80s Shelby America continued the production and restarted the chassis number to CSX 4000. So this one is not a replica, but not original, rather it's a continuation car. This is my favorite angle of the car.